this is the chart that I took, the information that I took to put the lines on this line plot, and it'll say the hours, the total time hours slept.
Is that the title of your plot line?
Yeah, total time hours slept.
Okay. We're gonna have to write that before we turn it in, bud. Okay, so answer the questions.
The first question is what was the most common amount of sleep? The most common amount of sleep was 8.5 because it had 7 people slept for 8.5 hours. And then the next question is there an outliner in the data? If so, what is it? Explain how you know. Yes, the outliner is 10 because it is the greatest one marked.
On the plot line, right?
Yeah, on the plot line. And the third question is, what is the difference in hours between the longest night's sleep and the shortest night's sleep? The difference in the hours between the longest night's sleep and the shortest night's sleep was 3.5. Because it started at 6.5, which then goes to 7, which is 30, and so on and so forward. And when you get to 10, wait.
No, you're right. Because the next page information isn't included in it yet, remember?
Oh, yeah. Okay, and then this is the information that I used for the second page. And then for the first...
So are the plot line, now that you've changed it.
Okay. Here is the plot line.
Okay, now what did you do to change it?
I added the 12 to change it. And then
added more what?
I added more plots to the line plot. And then how the new data has changed the line plot is it changed the line plot by the numbers going from mixed numbers to whole numbers. And there's also a 12, and there's more lines or plots on the line plot.
Yep.
Then the second question, is there an outliner in the data? If so, is it the same as the outliner layer before the new data added? Explain. So there is a new outlier in the data. It is the 12. The 12.
How do you know?
How I know is because it's the greatest marked number. It went from 10 to 12 because it's the greatest marked number. The third question is, how many total people slept less than 8 hours? How do you know? How many people slept for less than 8 hours would be 7.5 is 3, and then there's 7, so total of 6, and then 6.5. So it would be a total of 7. So 7 people slept less than 8 hours because it's behind the 8-hour mark.
Is that everything?
Yes.